Hey guys, it's Matt Santagapita from the Santa Sells Houses team, and this episode of the Monday Market Update is a little late, not going to lie. It slipped my mind. It was on my to-do list for today, and today's been a very busy day for us. So getting to it, without further ado, let's jump into the numbers, and then I've got a couple indicators that I want people to start looking at that I'm going to talk about kind of towards the end. So new listings came in at 221, sold at 161, conditionals at 7. So what are we seeing there? A continued trend of new listings coming to market. The number of new listings keep growing. What's interesting is our sold data, so number of solds, is roughly about the same that it was last week. So, which isn't a bad thing. I think it's actually good that we're starting to see more properties come on the market and there is some calmness or maybe settling in that's happening. Now, I do think some of that has to do with the events that are going on around the world. However, I don't think that we're going to see a true slowing of the real estate market in London. A couple interesting numbers that I want to toss out there is in February, we ended with a median home price of $777,000, which we've never seen in London, and an average home price of $823,842. So again, prices keep going up. Now, I think what is happening in there is that we are seeing obviously larger resale homes coming to market, but also a lot more new construction homes are selling through organized real estate. Now, one other thing that I want to toss out there is with what is going on in the world right now, one important factor is that we are seeing commodity prices are increasing drastically. So one of the big ones is the cost of a barrel of oil. Everybody here drives past a gas station and you see gas prices are going up. It's going to take some time, but where that's going to affect the housing market is in the new construction side of things. If there's any builders who are watching this, I'd actually love to hear in the comments if you're starting to get talk about supply costs increasing or even delivery surcharges starting to be talked about. It's one thing that I think if we haven't seen it yet, we're going to start to see it in the coming month, maybe 2 months, as oil prices are continue to go up, and as well just in general resource prices. So any resins that need to go into any type of plumbing, any type of metal, so like copper, for instance, for copper wiring, everything is going up drastically. We're really hitting these double-digit inflation numbers. Even wheat prices, for instance, are actually the highest they've been in, I think somewhere between 14 and 20 years. So that is going to translate into the new construction market at some point. So if you're in the market for a new build home, well, my advice to you, if you can get a firm price, get on it, sign that deal and get it done. If you are shopping around and you're let's say a little hesitant on whether or not you want to pull the trigger on a new build home, or if you're noticing some hesitancy from a builder to give you pricing or it's taking a little bit longer, understand it's because things are going to start to get complicated from a supply and material standpoint with what is going on in the world. So if you have any questions around this or even just want to have a quick little dialogue about it, feel free to connect with us, hit us up, either comment down below, give us a call, email, send us a direct message in Facebook, Instagram, whatever you like. Again, it's Matt Santagapita from the Santa Sells Houses team, and this has been another episode of our Monday Market Update.